In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Bible app widget color. What we will actually do is change the Bible reading background color inside the YouVersion Bible app, since that is what you can reliably adjust on every device. First, open the Bible app. Find the familiar brown and gold Bible icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Then tap it once. When it opens, you should land on the main screen of YouVersion with a navigation bar along the bottom and several tabs like Home, Read, Plans, or similar, depending on your version. If your app takes a moment to load, wait until you see content appear and the bottom menu is fully visible before moving on, so the next step matches what you see. Next, tap Bible. On many devices, this tab is labeled Read, but it shows a Bible icon and opens the main reading screen. After you tap it, you should see a passage of scripture in the center of the screen, usually with the book and chapter name at the top. Along the bottom or top, you may see verse numbers and maybe a small toolbar. This is the area where the background color change will be most obvious, so keep an eye on how it looks right now, especially whether it is light, dark, or slightly tinted. Now tap the three dots. Look for a small icon with three dots in a row, often in the top right corner of the reading screen. It might be vertical or horizontal, but it will be the only three-dot menu in that area. When you tap it, a menu will slide up from the bottom or drop down from the top with several options related to how the text looks and behaves. If you do not see the dots at first, gently tap once anywhere on the text to bring the reading controls back into view. Then look again for that three-dot menu. From there, select Fonts and Settings. In the menu that appears, you will see an option with wording like Fonts and Settings, often with an icon of letters or text beside it. Tap that option once. A new panel will appear showing sliders and choices for things like font style, font size, and themes. You are now in the place where YouVersion lets you control how comfortable the Bible text is to read, and changes you make here usually apply immediately without needing any save button. Finally, choose a background color. In this Fonts and Settings panel, look for a row of background choices such as light, sepia, dark, or other color tiles. Tap each color option once to see the reading area behind it change in real time. On some devices, you may also see a transparency or theme option that slightly adjusts how strong the color looks. Try a lighter tone if you often read in bright rooms or a darker one if you read at night, and watch how the contrast with the text changes so it stays readable. Once you stop tapping and leave it as is, that background color stays set for your future reading sessions. You have just customized the Bible reading background color in the YouVersion Bible app so your on-screen text is easier on your eyes. If this helped you get a more comfortable Bible reading view, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple tips like this.